Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, Afix here. So in this video, we're going to talk about the stages of project planning. When you want to start programming a control system project, you should start with a proper planning. This video will explain on the 5 stages of project planning that you could use as your guidelines. Programming for a project usually starts with the control process description. So the first stage is making sure that the description is clear for every condition that trigger the actuator. For example, the conveyor belt system is actuated by a motor when the relay K1 is energized. The conveyor belt, however, will stop when the relay K1 is de-energized. From the description, the condition stated that if the momentary contact push button S1 is pressed, then K1 must be energized. Another condition in the same description stated that if the normally closed momentary contact push button S2 is pressed, then K1 must be de-energized. Next, the second stage, assignment list. Previously, we know that assignment list only contain input and output addresses, but by now you should know that the assignment list also can be included with the memory addresses. Okay, so for the system just now, we identify the input and output devices and we put it in the assignment list to be fixed with the certain addresses. And then we create the assignment list in the programmer. If in the TIA, we create it in the default text table. Okay, by clicking that place and expanding the PLC text, double click on the default text table. So this window default text table will open, and then we need to make sure we declare all the symbolic name, declare the data type, and declare the addresses. There are 3 things that need to be declared in the text table. Okay, the third stage is the rough structure of the control system. In this stage, you need to design the program by describing the functional requirement of the system. Based on the conveyor system just now, you need to be able to derive the functional requirement as stated in these sentences. Another more effective way to do this is by using a tool called GraphSet. You will learn about this tool in another chapter. At this stage, you need to also identify the related I/O devices. This can be done by sketching the PLC I/O wiring diagram as shown here. The wiring diagram will depict how and what devices connected to which terminals. In the fourth stage, which is the program structure, you need to specify the functional requirement or the graph set with much more detail. Simultaneously, you also need to plan the program structure. Okay, actually in PLC, OB is the main block, but you can also create the program in a different kind of blocks such as FB and also FCs. The fifth stage, you detail out the structure of the control system, how By combining the assignment list and the program structure, you put it together into configuration and also programming.